Ganja and reggae, yeah man. Me feel the heat rise from me skin, fire burn deep within. Me no burn for hate or fame, me burn for Jah name. Every spark of prayer, me know Jah the near. Zion flame eternal bright, light up the night. Them try to cool the flame of love, but it rise from above. Me no need no gasoline, just spirit clean. Babylon fear the chant me sing, cause truth when me bring. Them build wall fi divide, but Jah the inside. Me burn illusion, burn disguise. Open eyes, me burn corruption, greed and lie. Under Jah sky, fire purify my heart, set me apart. The heat me feel no pain, wash me chill. Pull it on, me look round. See suffer spread, but Rasta never dread. Me share my fire for the cold, me story told. The youth I light the flame again, free from chains. Zion fire guide them home, never alone. Me born for justice true, me born for you. The world can't sleep in the dark, me ignite the spark. No power stronger than Jah will be still. This flame never fade. Righteous made it, Jah in a Zion blaze. Light the world in righteous ways, from the hills to the shore. Jah love explore, fire in a Zion. I reach the sky, burn away the wrong, keep us strong. Me remember the stories told by the elders bold. Them say fire teach respect, keep mind correct. So me guard my flame like crown, never put down it warm the poor man night. Pure delight, me see them try for dim my spark. Still me mark, every rhythm me chant at night. Guided light, me flame no weapon of war. It heals scar, burn away the hate. Open gate, me sit by the river edge. Make me pledge my fire for truth, not fame. Jah name, them ask why you still burn. Me say me still learn. Fire reveal what's real. Jah seal. Me light it up for the world to see. Freedom for we. No fireman can cool this flame. All Jah name. Which I in a Zion blaze. Light the world in righteous ways, from the hills to the shore. Jah love explore, fire in a Zion. I reach the sky, burn away the wrong, keep us strong. So when my spirit gone, the fire live on. Zion blaze eternal bright, guide will light, will light, will light. Rasta nation, yeah man. Me step on lion path again. No fear, no chill. Every breath I am, every day I win. Me walk tall in Jamaica, eyes full of light. Hey. Me climb mountain, me cross sea. Jah walk with my face trial, my face storm, but my spirit warm. Me heart steady like drum. Better day come, no wicked tongue can't swear. Me charge away. Me see the snake whisper lies, still me fly. Me see them plot in a dark, me spark. Me wear truth like crown, never bow down. Each step me take bold, my soul gold. The lion roar inside, my soul keep control. Me no crawl pan belly for man, me follow Jah plan. Me move with humble pride, spirit guide. No fear of the night, me walk with light. Me learn for watch and wait, fight, me no tempt fate. The lion part rough still, but strong will. Me stand when others fall. Jackal, me carry my truth alone like stone. Yeah, on the lion part me go, where the strong roots grow. Through valley deep and sky so high, Jah by my side. Yeah, on the lion part me stay. Night or day, faith and courage me wear. Jah always near. Me rest by the ancient tree. Hear the prophecy, my spirit connect with ground. Holy sound, the breeze carry me pain away. Me pray, each scar tell story true. What me been through, me rise each time me fall. Jackal, the lion inside no sleep. This promise keep me guard my mind from sin. Strength within, every roar I praise. Jah ways, me stand on the cliff edge, I touch the sky. Me roar with truth and might. Jah light, me see the wicked tremble up. Them can't grow, me roar for peace, me roar for love from above. Me no fear the dark or pain, Rasta rain. Me no turn back for none, me done way. On the lion path me go, where the strong roots grow. Through valley deep and sky so high, Jah by my side. Way, on the lion path me stay. Night or day, faith and courage me wear. Jah always near. Way, so when me reach Zion gate, me celebrate. On the lion path me find peace of mind.
Aye, aye, aye. Split deep inna the sweat, kaya man. Blowing free from mountain high, Zion wind across the sky. It carries song, it carry prayer. Zion wind everywhere. No man stop it, no man tame. Zion wind exalt your name. Forever blow, pure and free. Zion wind eternity. Zion wind strong and true. Carry blessing for me and you. Every whisper, holy sound. Zion wind all around. It cool the fire, lift the flame. Zion wind called your name. Forever moving, never still. Zion wind, Jah will. It bless the valley, bless the sea. Zion wind for you and me. Eternal flowing, never cease. Zion wind bring Jah peace. Me hear it chant through the trees. Zion wind bring Jah breeze. It sing the song, it spread the word. Zion wind always heard. Forever holy, pure and bright. Zion wind, Jah light. It guide the child, it guide the land. Zion wind, Jah hand. Strong and wide, Zion wind the holy tide. No Babylon can chain the air. Zion wind across the sky. No chain, no wall can hold it down. Zion win, wear the crown. Zion win, strong and true. Carry blessing for me and you. Every whisper, holy sound. Zion win all around. From age to age, from night to morn. Zion win, forever born. Zion Reggae's back, your man.
City wall so high and proud, Babylon speak its words so loud. But in the distance light appear, flame of truth draw ever near. Stone and steel begin to shake, flame of freedom start to wake. Every spark a righteous plan, flame remind the soul of man. Market cry and merchant boast, flame of mercy hunt them ghosts. Paper kingdom, greed and gold, flame of justice break that hole. Every tower lose its pride, flame of truth come from inside. No more crown for wicked throne, flame reveal what Jah has shown. Preacher shout upon the street, flame of reason at his feet. Every sinner feel the glow, flame of love begin to show. Politicians start to hide, flame expose the crooked side. Every liar, every scheme, burn away like shadow dream. Work arise before the day, flame of hope light up the way. Every sweat and every tear, flame of courage draw them near. No oppression hold them long, flame ignite the righteous song. Every hand unite as one, flame of freedom overcome. Poet see the skyline red, flame of change inside his head. Every verse a fire call, flame of vision burn them all. No illusion, no disguise, flame of truth reveal the lies. Everlasting, bold and pure, flame of justice will endure. Babylon tremble, night grow thin, flame of life rise deep within. Every heart a burning coal, flame of love restore the soul. Generation lift them on, flame of truth consume the land. Ever rising fierce and free, flame of Zion victory. Morning come, the smoke is gone, flame of mercy still live on. Every ruin bloom again, flame of peace remove the pain. No more king, no empty throne, flame of love make earth its home. Everlasting, strong and free, flame of Zion destiny. Burn, burn Babylon down, flame of justice wear the crown. Shine, shine bold and true, flame of mercy shine for you. Flame over Babylon rise and burn, teach the wicked what they must learn. Never fading, never small, flame of truth consume it all. Forever shining, fierce and bright, flame of Zion guide the night. Sacred fire, bold and free, flame of love eternity.
Zion Hackles, we are the warriors, born in the fire. Heart full of strength, soul full of desire. The road ain't easy, but we stand tall. Guided by Jah, we answer the call. Them fight the light, them try to block the way, but we rise above, we see the break of day. Me hear the voices of the people cry, but the warriors of the light, we never shy. Me feel the power in the wind and the sea, the strength of the earth, the roots of the tree. We fight for the truth, we fight for the right. We are the warriors, we stand for the light. Warriors of the light, we rise up strong. The power of Jah, it make we belong. No fear, no doubt, no turning back. Warriors of the light, we stay on track. Warriors of the light, we fight for the truth. We stand in the fire, we stand in the youth. Jah guide we through the storm and strife. We are the warriors, we live the life. Them try to put us in chains and in pain, but the warriors of the light, we break the chain. Me see the darkness, me see the fight, but me walk with Jah, me carry the light. We stand on the front lines, we lead the way. We rise from the ashes, we rise every day. The system crumble, but we hold the key. The warriors of the light, we born to be free. Me see the battle, me see the rage, but Jah power break the cage. Through the fire, through the storm, we stay true, we stay warm. Warriors of the light, we rise up strong. The power of Jah, it make we belong. No fear, no doubt, no turning back. Warriors of the light, we stay on track. Warriors of the light, we fight for the truth. We stand in the fire, we stand in the youth. Jah guide we through the storm and strife. We are the warriors, we live the life. Through the darkness we find our way. Warriors of the light, we rise today. Me see the power in the eyes of the youth. The warriors arise, we speak the truth. Them try to break we, them try to bind, but the warriors of the light, we free the mind. We fight for peace, we fight for love. We fight for the justice Jah speaks above. Me see the battle, me see the field, but the warriors of the light, we never yield. In the struggle we find.
Na 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 Zion reggae man. Yeah, yeah man. Yeah man, yeah man, yeah man. Me rise up before the break of day. Hear the chant in a distant way. Jah whisper plant this seed today. So me dig the earth and pray. Yeah man, me feel the sun kiss me brow. That time in always now. Roots of tomorrow start from small. Grow strong and bless them all. Me plan for the youth, for the poor man dream. Me water it with love, me keep it clean. Me see the land dry, but me still sow. Cause me know Jah love make things grow. Every tear that drop in pain turn to blessing, wash this stain. Me chant for the heart them blind, open up them mind. Na 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 na. Me not trust Babylon gold, me treasure pure and old. The earth speak through the trees, sun live in peace. Me hands dirty with soil of life, still me free from strife. Each root me touch a prayer, Jah there everywhere. Yeah, me trod through valley of doubt, but me no bow out. Faith on me staff, courage me guide, Jah walk by me side. Me see the people lost in pain, try escape the rain. Me tell them hold on still, Jah the will me give me all for the children rise. Me see the truth in a them eyes, them spirit pure, them light divine. The next generation shine, no greed, no war. Me teach only love in reach. Me see the roots connect, me show respect where roots of tomorrow grow from the love we sow. Water it with peace and care. Jah love in the air. Yeah, roots of tomorrow strong. Right from wrong, no system can divide. Jah live inside. Boy, yeah. Me remember my grandmother words, still echo, still hurt. She said, my son, never forget we reap what we said. So me plant the wisdom deep, even when me weak, the roots twist and bind. Old mankind, me say the world still fight. Me shine me light, me build with faith and hand. Jah bless me land, me chant me psalm at night till the stars shine bright. Me no need no fame, Jah call me name. Yeah, me hear the thunder roll, test the soul. Me stand still, no shake. Jah no forsake. Every storm just clear the air. Make the roots prepare. Tomorrow no come by luck. We build it up. Me look to the sky and smile. Walk my mind wild. Me no worry about the Babylon fall. Jah justice for all. Me no rush the time for come. Me chant till it done. Me plant the seed again for heal the pain. Roots of tomorrow grow from the love we sow. Water it with peace and care. Jah love in the air. Roots of tomorrow strong. Right from wrong, no system can divide. Jah live inside. Oh yeah. So when me gone, me song remain. Flow like rain. Roots of tomorrow bloom in every room. Jah light forever shine. All divine. No, Rasta is so I am on. Oh, I am on. Yo, I am on. Me wake before the cock crow, hear the river flow. Jah morning light a bless the earth, the rebirth. Me breathe in peace again, wash away the pain. Morning of Zion rise, beauty fill the skies. Me step out on the grass, do everything new. Me feel Jah presence strong, where me belong. Me stretch me hand to the east, give thanks for feast. Me no worry about tomorrow, no sorrow. Me hear the drum beat start, heal me out, me sing my praise for the dawn. Old pain gone, the light touch my face. Sacred place, Jah whisper me name slow. Blessings flow, me walk through the village lane. Hear them call me name, Rasta sing for we again. Me lift my pen, me write the song for peace. Till war cease, me chant the words for all. Big and small, me feel the mountain better days for come, children play in the street. Joy complete, me see the mother's prayer. Hope to the morning of Zion glow. Love overflow, yeah. Morning of Zion bright, full of light. Rise up, sing your song. Right your wrong, morning of Zion call. Stand tall, let the love unfold. Hearts of gold. See the elder by the gate, talk about faith. Him say son the struggle long, but keep strong. Me nod and smile, me know truth grow. Every dawn a gift, spirit lift. Me walk on the hill so high, touch the sky. Me breathe Jah air pure, me secure. No darkness there, light find way. Morning glowing on my chest. Jah manifest, me sing till the day complete. Love repeat, me say the market full again. No pain, me bless the people me meet. Smile sweet, Zion morning wide and free. Harmony, me no fear the night return. Me learn every dawn a sign. All divine, oh yeah. Morning of Zion bright, full of light. Rise up, sing your song. Right your wrong, morning of Zion call. Stand tall, let the love unfold. Hearts of gold, oh yeah. Oh yeah. still glow. Morning of Zion remain through joy and pain.
Ay, ay, ay. Zion Ragga, yeah, man. Deep within the hills so green, Jah Garden bloom, the sacred scene. Tree of life and river clear, voice of Zion always near. Every fruit a healing song, feed the children, make them strong. Babylon hunger can't survive, Jah Garden keep we all alive. Morning dew upon the ground, song of birds, the holy sound. Elders sit and tell the tale, Jah Garden truth will never fail. Every seed a word of love, falling down from skies above. Hands of children dig the soil, heart of Zion bless the toil. Jah Garden ever living free, place of love and harmony. Come together all mankind, Jah Garden heal the heart and mind. No more sorrow, no more fight, garden shine with Jah light. Youth man plant and elder reap, promise Jah forever keep. No more hunger, no more war, Jah Garden open door. From creation till the end, Jah Garden bless again. River flow and tree them sway, children laugh and chant all day. Lion roam but harm no one, in Jah Garden under sun. Every nation, tongue and creed find together what them need. No division, no more pain, Jah Garden rule again. Plant the seed, let it grow, Jah Garden love overflow. Roots so strong, leaves so tall, Jah Garden feed us all. Jah Garden ever living free, place of love and harmony. Come together all mankind, Jah Garden heal the heart and mind. Forever shining lush and true, Jah Garden open for me and you.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion Reggae. Through the valley, long and wide, path of ancient, still we guide. Every stone and every mark lead the way from light to dark. Elder footstep left behind, path of wisdom, clear the mind. Every mile a sacred tune, walk beneath the ancient moon. Carve a shape, the totem high, path of spirit touch the sky. Every tree remember name, path of life remain the same. Babylon road built on sand, path of ancients bless the land. Everlasting, bold and true, path of mercy led we through. roots heal the land. Every herb and sacred stone teach the flesh the truth alone. Storm may rise but roots them stay. Path of peace still find a way. Every footstep pure and free. Path of Zion victory. Poets sit beside the trail. Path of ancients never fail. Every echo, every song, keep the spirit moving strong. No corruption bend the line. Path of justice still divine. Every whisper from the past. Path of love will always last. Warrior lay his burden down. Path of ancients wear the crown. Every fight was not in vain. Path of truth remove the pain. From the mountain to the sea. Path of mercy carry we. Ever pure and ever near. Path of peace remove the fear. Generations chant and learn. Path of ancients still return. Every step a holy vow. Path of wisdom guide us now. Babylon dust may cloud the view. Path of faith still shining true. Everlasting, strong and free. Path of Zion victory. Morning come and voices rise. Path of ancients fill the skies. Never ending, never fall. Path of love unite us all. Every journey bold and true. Path of life renew the crew. Everlasting, pure and free. Path of Jah eternity. Walk side by side. Path of truth, remove the pride. Rise strong and free. Path of Zion victory. Path of ancients wide and pure. Guide the people ever sure. Never breaking, never small. Path of mercy call us all. Forever shining bold and new. Path of life for me and you. Sacred road so strong and free. Path of Zion destiny.
Zion Reggae, yeah, man. High above the clouds so bright. Throne of Zion shine with light. Seat of justice, seat of peace. Where the wars and sorrow cease. Every stone a crown of love. Every step from God above. Throne eternal, pure and true. Hold the path for me and you. Throne of Zion, high and grand. Rule the world with holy hand. Guide the people, keep them strong. Set the righteous path along. Stand where prophet voice was heard. Echo every holy word. Shine the truth, it shine the flame. Lift the soul in God's true name. No king of man can take the seat. Throne of Jah no one defeat. above the plain. Never shake it, never fall. Throne of Jah command it all. From first chant till time is done. Throne forever holy one. Seat of love, of peace, of flame. Throne eternal, praise Jah name. Throne of Zion, high and grand. Rule the world with holy hand. Guide the people, keep them strong. Set the righteous path along. Stand firm, stand tall. Throne of Jah, above it all. No crown of man, no earthly king. Throne of Zion, everything. Throne of Zion, high and grand. Rule the world with holy hand. Guide the people, keep them strong. Set the righteous path along. From dawn to dusk, from birth to end. Throne of Jah forever. Na 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 Zion, yeah man. Shining bright from heaven high. Zion light will never die. It guide me spirit, guide me soul. walk the Zion path so true. Jah guide me steps anew. It lead the humble, guide the meek. Zion path all soul shall seek. No Babylon can block the way. Zion path forever stay. It shine with light, it shine with flame. Zion path exalt his name. Zion path straight and clear. Jah forever walking near. Every step me soul be strong. Zion path me walk along. of Jah forever rain, from desert dust to ocean shore. Wind of love forevermore. It guide the ship across the tide. It lift the eagle high in pride. It move the cloud, it shift the sky. Tell the people never die. It speak true leaf, it sings true stone. Wind remind we not alone. Every breath it give to man, gift eternal from Jah. Step on the journey, through the hills and the valleys, we walk it surely. Urban on me and me feel the mercy. Jah guide me out pure and early. We stand and feel it on me skin. Hear the holy voice within. It says stay firm, don't lose your way. Wind will guide you night and day. It move the drum, it move the song. Carry chant the whole night long. No silence still, no chain can bind. Wind of Jah is free and kind. When the evening shadows grow, wind still whispers soft and low. It guard the child, it lift the whole. Tell the tale of love retold. From birth to death, from rise to fall. Wind of Jah embrace us all. From start of time to endless years. Wind dry all the people tears. Blow high, blow strong. Wind of Jah forever long. No wall, no gate can stop the breeze. Wind of Jah brings soul at ease. Wind of Jah blow far and wide. Lift the soul, no need to hide. Carry love on wings unseen. Aye, aye, aye. Zion music bless the people, yeah, man. Me step barefoot on the morning dew, with chalice in hand. Me trod through mountain breeze, whisper secrets all. Me heart beat steady, me soul feel bold. Each leaf a teacher, each tree a guide. Me walk with Jah right by me side. Me nah need map, me nah need plan. Jah light me way in this blessed land. Irie Trails where me spirit dance. Hype and herbs in a mystic trance. One Jah deep, me mind set free. Me live each moment like eternity. Me sit under fig tree, light me spliff. Give thanks for life, each sacred gift. Bird them chant, river flow sweet. Me chant psalms with ancient beat. No city nice, no digital screen. Me vision clear, me soul stay clean. Meditation roll like thunder cloud. Me thoughts come low, me chant out loud. And when Babylon call, me not hear. Me dwell in peace, far from fear. Me find me joy in the roots and stone. Me build me temple from herbs alone. Me gather herbs in a woven sack. Me carry wisdom upon me back. Each leaf a blessing, each draw divine. Me connect with Jah time after time. Irie Trails where me spirit dance. Hype and herbs in a mystic trance. One draw deep, me mind set free. Me live each moment like eternity. Me blaze for the youth, them lost in town, who never feel earth underfoot ground down. Me call them to hills, call them to light. Show them stars in a darkest night. Me share me fruits, me share me flame. One world, one blood, all the same. No ego, no hate, inna me gate. Just love and vibes, me meditate. Yeah, me nah follow trend, me nah wear mask. Me nah chase likes, me nah do task. Me just chant truth like Rasta should. Me live in harmony, me life feel good. So if you seek peace, come trod with I. We'll blaze a spliff beneath the sky. No hurry, no worry, just pure bliss. Each step a prayer, each puff a kiss. Zion echoes echo far and wide. We bring the roots where truth reside. One rhythm, one sound, one eternal flame. And Jah know I never walk in vain. Le, 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 le.
Ganja is just medicine. Ganja is just medicine. First light break across the land, crown of dawn in Jah hand. Every color born anew, crown of mercy shine for you. Darkness fade, the shadows run, crown of dawn embrace the sun. Every glow a sacred flame, crown uplift the holy name. Elder rise and start to pray, crown of dawn reveal the way. Every heart begin to wear, crown of love no man can fade. Babylon dream now fade away, crown of hope restore the day. Everlasting, bold and pure, crown of truth will still endure. Farmer lift his face to sky, crown of dawn reflect his eye. Every seed a promise made, crown of mercy never fade. Rain descend and light unfold, crown of peace worth more than gold. Every morning bring a new, crown of Zion shine for you. Oh, it right up on the wind, crown of dawn erase the sin. Every word a gentle song, crown of truth keep growing strong. Even darkness cannot hide, crown of justice still abide. Every hue and every ray, crown of dawn define the day. Workers sing up on the field, crown of dawn is only shield. Every labor bless the hand, crown of peace across the land. No oppression, no deceit, crown of love make life complete. Ever pure and ever new, crown of Zion shine for you. Night return but light remain, crown of dawn remove the pain. Every soul begin to rise, crown of truth fill the skies. Generation lift them song, crown of mercy keep them strong. Everlasting, pure and free, crown of dawn eternity. When the world in silence rests, crown of dawn still shine the best. Never fading, never gone, crown of peace keep marching on. Sacred glory bold and high, crown of Zion fill the sky. Eternal flame forever true, crown of dawn shine for you. Rise, rise morning bright, crown of dawn replace the night. Shine, shine golden hue, of mercy, carry through. Crown of dawn, holy light, guide the world through darkest night. Never fading, never fall. Crown of peace, embrace us all. Forever shining, bold and pure. Crown of truth will still endure. Sacred glory, bright and new. Crown of Zion, shine for you.
With Marcus, your man. In the morning, dew so sweet, garden eternal at your feet. Every flower, every tree, sing a song of unity. Babylon desert can destroy, garden bloom with your joy. Every root a sacred flame, birds a sing and me heart at ease. She beside me, wrapped in sheet. Sunlight kiss, her skin so sweet. Me roll a spliff, me give her half. We laugh and float in herbal path. No stress, no fight, just pure align. Me feel Jah love in she and time. Herbs and harmony guide we flow. Inna this life we move real slow. Ganja burn, mind get free. One heart, one soul, you and me. Herbs and harmony deep like sea. Roots connection eternally. Every draw a sacred breath. We live in love, we not fear death. Me not chase Babylon illusion. Me find joy in natural fusion. Me queen dance with breeze and fire. She lift me up, she take me higher. She plant the herbs, me sing this song. Together we build where we belong. Coconut juice, hammock swing. Bird them chant and love them bring. Under moonlight me see her glow. She move like river, pure and slow. Incense burn, meditation start. She read me soul like sacred art. No judge, no mask, no pretense. Just honest vibes in her presence. When world get loud, she calm my mind. With one soft word, me realign. Herbs and harmony, sweet and true. Jah provide the love in you. Me no need no gold, no fame. Me call her love, but her soul got name. Herbs and harmony, balance light. We hold each other through the night. Storm may come, system may test, but we hold firm and still feel blessed. Me reason with me queen both life. She say me nah born just fi be wife. Me warrior too, me spirit free. Me hold the earth in a me tree. She teach me how fi blend the root, how every plant and word is truth. She dance round fire, I so wise. Me see the universe in she eyes. So like the chalice, hold me hand. We walk together on sacred land. No rush, no race, just this one song. With herbs and harmony, we belong. Me whisper thanks to Jah above, for one like she, an endless love. We not just live, we elevate. Through herbs and harmony, we levitate.